Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Yes, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Thank you that you all are sending your artwork, art videos, and you are also requesting us for a YouTube live videos. But for this reason, I need 1,000 subscribers. Yes, our channel is not yet 1,000 subscribers. So I need 1,000 subscribers for taking YouTube live class. So not only watching the video is enough, as well you have to like, comment, subscribe and share. So go and watch the video.
So we are going to start our video watercolor mud house. In this video we will learn how to color mud house with watercolor. So you need to be very careful and be ready. So here for watercoloring you need a palette and the color will be placed serially. I have made a separate video for this. You can go and see in the link and in the description box. And this is the tape. Paper and brushes is there. So these tapes, instead of using clip, we use this tape. This is paper tape. This is Abro company tape. This is called masking tape. So you have to paste it like this way in the board. All the four corners you have to fix. Here I have fixed it all. Now paper will be set nicely. Now just keep any object under your board of the above so that you get a slanting position, because while you are doing watercolor, so board need to be placed in slanting position, and your palette should be, if you are right handy, your palette should be the right side. If you are left handy, palette should be the left side. And I told before, color should be placed serially from light to dark. So now here I am going to draw a heart. Drawing is very simple. Here you can see that A, like a A form I have done. So this is the roof of the house, and you can see how I am doing. It's a V type of pattern I have done. So you can see the roof is done. Now just leave a space left and leave a space at the right side, and this is the wall, and now this is the base. That has to be same long, same like roof. So drawing is easy. You need to just understand the watercolor technique. So there is a bamboo sticks. This generally is used in the hut for supporting the roof. Now here you have to draw a line. You can see very minutely this line. Just after drawing this line, you can see there is a veranda is done. Now there is a door. So this is the drawing. So the door and there is a veranda, you can see. So now here I will start coloring. So you can, I am just taking the palette in my hand so that you can see the coloring. But this is not a rules. Always palette has to be kept on the floor or a side. But here you can see the mixing of the color. So I am taking in my hand. So yellow ochre and gamboge. Yellow ochre and gamboge color you have to mix. In my third counter there is a yellow ochre and second counter gamboge. You have to mix, and you have to take enough water so that water flows nicely. And same color you have to apply for the whole roof. Again I am making the color. You can see gamboge and So whenever you see the color is less, color is finished, you can make the color like that way and take enough water. So you can see just single color I have done. Take little bit of scarlet lake, that is in the fourth number counter, scarlet lake, little bit of. So you can see this reddish effect will come. So this is working as a second tone, but wrong. The color is not dried first tone, so it is called the middle tone. Middle tone is not a second tone, it's called the middle tone, because whenever you do the different color but base color is not dried, that means you are doing the middle tone. And this middle tone we have done, the light is coming from the right side. And now I'm taking the brown color, okay, and you can see a brown mixed with yellow ochre little bit, and now mix little bit of what color I'm taking, blue color, cobalt blue color, little bit of cobalt blue color, so color is looking darker, okay, and cobalt blue, a little bit of green, a viridian green. Yes, this is a viridian green. Just by the viridian green there is a cobalt blue, you can see. So you can see that a dark color I have made. I have taken less water, and just how I'm coloring, look very carefully. I am coloring the roof, will be clear very nicely, and you can see the roof right side is lighter than the left side, because left side is a shadow. So for this we use the scarlet lake. Now for roof we have colored, sorry, for wall we have colored. Now mix little bit of yellow ochre so that color gets lighter, and use little bit of water and yellow ochre so color gets lighter. So here I am showing the roof shadow is coming on the wall, so upper portion is darker. The more it is getting down, color is getting lighter. You can see how I am brushing. This way you have to brush. Your brushing should be like that. So you can easily understand, for the roof left side is darker, or for the wall upper portion is darker. And now take less, only water, plain water, and just little bit touch, because this is the baranda portion, that will be the light is coming, so that should not be dark. Now take yellow ochre color, same type of color you take for the bamboo. This mud and bamboo all get same color, okay. Now take the dark color at the base, only base, not in the varanda. The varanda will be the lighter color. The moment I will color, you can understand. So now you can see, you can understand. Take little bit of cobalt blue. So the moment you will use cobalt blue, the color will be darker. At the bottom you can use the cobalt blue like that way. It is touching the ground. So ground also there it is touching, so there will be light comes very often. So that time there, so for this reason there is a little darker. Now we will color the door. You can easily understand the bamboo sticks. If you see now, take green color, or take water, green mixed with little bit of brown, okay, so that it doesn't look very raw green. Now take, I have missed the color, so take again the same color. So this way we have completed our first tone. We have completed our first tone, and we use first tone and middle tone. We didn't use any second tone. Second tone means when your base color will be dried, after that you are using color, that is called second tone. So here take yellow ochre, a little bit of scarlet for land. Don't touch with the house, otherwise the color will be getting down. So we have colored it already with that color. So our main subject is a house. The house is dried. Now we will start our second tone. So we will take a brown color, brown. You can see, take brown, take water, little bit of scarlet. Okay. So now second tone will be started. So you can see the middle tone also we colored this. So you will create the texture with the second tone. So just give a line like this, so that it looks like a real. So see very carefully how I am giving the line. Now make a little space. Again you do the same strokes. Now you can see there is a volume, there is a texture is created. So this way the second tone is done. In the middle tone we used light and shadow. Now with that color we mix little bit of blue, very light, little bit of blue. I am taking blue color but taking water. So here you have to give a shadow. So this is the shadow is coming. With the second tone we are doing the shadow. The roofs is uneven, so their shadow is also coming like uneven. So and there is a bamboo also upper of, there is also some shadow, and there will be shadow at the left sides because light side, from the right side the light is coming. Take viridian green for a tone. This is also second tone, very light green tone. I'm taking water, mixing water with the viridian green and I have taken much water. So this way I am using shadow at the right side, left side. Right side there is a light is coming, so not giving any shadows. Now here you can see there is a veranda, so same thing. For veranda also same type of color you take, and I have colored at the left side because the right side always the light is coming. So here I have done it like this. So this is complete. I hope you have understood. Now there is some mud house is broken. There is a cracking actually. So this cracking effect, little bit touch, not more. You can use brush number 2 or 1. So just touch I'm giving so that it looks real. So you can see it is looking so real. So this is our mud house. Now is your turn. You should start painting.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.